Hey guys, welcome to Showdown Episode 2.
Rubik's Cube battle. These are the rules of the Rubik's Cube challenge. There will be a stopwatch. Before we start, we'll have some time to see the jumbled cube. Whoever finishes solving the cube in the fastest time wins.
Just so that neither of us cheat, we have jumbled each other's cubes so that the game will be fair.
So before he starts, he'll get some time to look at the cube. That time has begun. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's approaching 1.5 minutes in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm ready to stop.
Done.
That is 1 minute 37 seconds.
So we reviewed my timing and it was 1 minute 36.12 seconds. Now Rishabh has 1 minute 35 seconds to win. Now Rishabh gets some time to check out the cube. Three, two, one, go!
Done. So I'm the winner of the second Showdown episode. And hopefully I win the third time too, whatever it is. I don't care. You shall lose.